So you wanna go famous on TikTok. Let me let you in on a little secret. TikTok is rigged.
Boy, if you don't get...
What's up, Unusual? Today, we're back with another banger. How to go viral on TikTok inside of 2021. Probably already know what TikTok is, cause of course, like, who doesn't know what TikTok is inside of 2021? Like, TikTok is an app where people do all sorts of stuff. People just be thinking that you be dancing and stuff on TikTok, but now we're gonna get into how the TikTok algorithm actually works, because how are you finna blow up but you don't even know how the algorithm works? So TikTok shows your video, right, to 100 people, and that 100 people is most of your followers. Now if your followers mess with that video, like if it's funny, entertaining, you got some jokes, a little bit of controversy in there, then TikTok takes that video, puts it to another 100 people, and then it keeps on doing that, and then it gets on the For You page. People think the algorithm is messed up. Mostly you just have to follow these tips right here. If you at least 2, sometimes 3 of these things, then you're gonna blow up on TikTok. So first thing is view duration and watch time. Create videos that are sweet, short, and simple. With view duration, make sure that you like keep a hook at the beginning of the video so you can actually like catch people's attention. Now the second thing that I want to say is like have nice hashtags. You know, hashtags are important. They're like the keywords. You need hashtags so people know what your video is about. If I was to go on TikTok right now and type in like brushes, right, all it's gonna show up is a like video full of brushes. Why? Because they put the hashtags there so people can find it. It's more searchable. So TikTok likes to know what your video is about, especially like if you just be you, like, has some originality on the app. Because if you go on any page that's blown up on TikTok, whether it be the people who be dancing a lot, like the videos, something like that, people who be dancing a lot, or the people, they all have like a personality that goes along with their page, if you know what I mean. Like there's a certain aesthetic, so when I pull up on your page, right, it better be like it has to give me a certain type of feeling when I look at your videos, you know. Put some of your personality into your page. Now you need to follow the trends, you know. Follow any trend, especially if you're niche. Like, I don't think on TikTok really that you have to be real niche down, because people be making the randomest of videos, but they still be blowing up somehow. Still follow trends inside whatever video you're making it, like whether it be like lip gloss, something else, but like look up the trends for that video and then make a video that's like congruent to that trend. And then another thing, which is like the 5th one, is using the certain sounds, you know, or create your own sound and then watch that pop up. If you have some originality and you got a good idea, create your own sound on TikTok, because TikTok is all about starting trends and then people hopping on that trend and then that trend falling off. I don't know if I said this before, but your like rate, your comment rate, and your watch time, that's what TikTok looks at when deciding to boost your videos up or not. And they look, most of the time, the videos that are a little bit more quality, I'm not talking about full-blown, like, you have to have the camera out and everything, but they usually get pushed more on the FYP, you know? So, and then the 6th thing that I almost forgot was make people want to comment. Like, do something like that makes people want to, well, you be like, hey, yo, comment down below. Or just make people want to like the video. Don't be thirsty for them. You gotta do what you gotta do, but like, alright, that was my video on how to blow up, how to go viral on TikTok inside the 2021. If you guys try these out, comment down below if any of these worked for you, or if you liked this type of video that I created without the editing. Helps a lot, and I hope you guys can grow out your own accounts, you can blow up, and you know, for any reason that you want to. Alright, I'm babbling on. I'll see you guys later.